President Tsai Ing-wen today received representatives of the Federation of Taiwan Pharmacists Associations. She thanked the pharmacists for taking the front line of the pandemic, calling them an indispensable part of Taiwan's fight against COVID.
She asked the pharmacists for their continued support in government projects, such as an upcoming rationing system for rapid tests.
The Federation of Taiwan Pharmacists Associations was received at the presidential office on Tuesday. The group was hosted by the president herself, who greeted each guest one by one. She thanked them for their work at the pandemic's front line.
Pharmacists play an indispensable role in our pandemic efforts. I would like to once again thank you all for stepping forward bravely and contributing your expertise to work with the government in protecting the health of all Taiwanese.
In the early days of the pandemic, pharmacists had helped implement the government's mass rationing program. Now they're supporting a new home care program for COVID patients by delivering prescriptions straight to private homes.
Local governments started rolling out home care programs last week. It's our hope that by separating mild cases from severe cases, we can work to ensure sufficient medical capacity. I would hereby like to especially thank the Federation of Taiwan Pharmacists Associations for its support, for the involvement and the response of pharmacists all around Taiwan. It's thanks to them that we are able to provide prescription delivery services for COVID patients isolating at home.
With COVID numbers surging and demand for rapid tests on the rise, Tsai asked pharmacists for their continued cooperation on government programs.
We will soon launch a rationing system for rapid tests, and we will need a lot of help from pharmacists to implement it. So I would like to ask our friends in the pharmacy industry to continue working with the government to protect the health of everyone in our country.
The president appealed to her guests for their support. She listened to their stories from the front line, where pharmacists have toiled for 2 years to get Taiwan through the challenges of the pandemic.